and the Apple logo. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be unboxing this Apple iPad. So let me read some stuff to you. iPad 9th generation. This is just a 64 gigabyte iPad. Now let's open it. It's covered with thin plastic. And it's very clean, almost very because if you look properly, there's like something right here. Now let's get to opening it. Earlier in the video, I made this like circle thing so we can open it. Yeah, you open that side, I open this side. Okay. Now we got where should we open? I didn't put it here. Now I'm just this. Now let's open it. Here. The first thing you see is the iPad covered with this plastic thing. Now let's take out the iPad so we can take off the top thing. Now we take it off by pulling this tab, this thing of the paper. Now take it out and put it aside. Right there. Let's see this thing. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what's inside. Oh, instructions, great. Let's put that aside. Now, this is instructions. Now, let's see what's it. The second thing we see in here, whoa, stickers. But we're not going to put them on now. We're going to put them on later. I think we have to put it on a car. We're not supposed to put it on a car. What? There's nothing else in here, so put it right here. And here is the charger. This is the charger. So this is the iPad. It's heavy. It's flat. Now let's just flip it carefully. Let's put it on. Then it feels so clean. And the Apple logo. Over to the other side. Let's now open this and then. Oh yeah. This is a home button and this is a switch, and these two on the sides. The other one is the button that will go a very high volume and the button that has a very low volume. Let's press this for a long time to see if it's charged. It's charged. And the white Apple logo. This is an iPad case. Thank you,